Hey everyone, this is Marlinda with bestwaytomakemoneyonline.com, and today I am going to do a quick overview of Jaaxy. If you don't know what Jaaxy is, it's a keyword research tool, and I'm doing this as part of a review that I am doing on my website, bestwaytomakemoneyonline.com. So the first thing is, when you sign up for Jaaxy, you get a 30-word free trial. For me, that's over, so I have the pro version right here, and there's also an enterprise version. So to show you the differences real quick, I'm just gonna scroll through and you can see basically the difference between the pro and enterprise is that the enterprise is faster and you can do more side-by-side results, more alphabet soup research, faster analytics, faster speed, and it's more automated, so it comes out sorted, and you don't have to automatically pull up these results right here where it says manual instant, the QSR and the domain availability, which you will understand in a little while. Of course, the first thing you think of when you think of a keyword research tool is keyword research, obviously. So I'm going to use my Jaaxy review keyword research as my tutorial today. So again, I have the pro version. Maybe this might not be a good one to start with. Okay, let's try, let me see. What's something? Okay, dogs, because I haven't searched dogs on here. Okay, so here you can see that some results come up automatically and some don't. So it just depends. I guess it's random and it knows what it's gonna pull up automatically and what it's not. So you only have to click it once. After you click it that once, it'll always show up. Let me see if I could find another one. Okay, so here we go, Honda CR-V, and usually it shows up with a bit of both. Some that you have to manually click and some that you don't. So as you can see, it doesn't really take that long. So if you're not really got a heavy workload or in a rush, the pro version is great. And then you can do the same thing for domain research, and actually you can do it all simultaneous like that, where you can just go down the list clicking both sides and it'll do it right away like that. Okay, so now you see how that works, and see the red means no, stay away from that. The green means yes, that's okay. Let's go with those. The yellow means maybe not. It just depends. So let's go back to Jaaxy review, and then on the right side here you can see the related keywords. So there's a whole list of related keywords that you can target. So maybe I want to see Jaaxy review and bonus. Okay, Jaaxy review and bonus, so that came up. Right, here we go. Jaaxy review and bonus. So what is up viral review, bonus up viral, Jaaxy review, and so it gives you a bunch of suggestions here, and this is not one that I want to go with, so I'm just gonna take that out, go back to Jaaxy review. So now say I wanted to search the Jaaxy review and see what comes up with that. I can open up a new tab and do a search on that. And then here's all the results that come up with that. The Jaaxy keyword tool review, Jaaxy keyword tool review, keyword software reviews. So yeah, so that's the keyword research portion of this. So then you see this tab, alphabet soup, and say I wanted Jaaxy. So what this does is bring up keywords that have Jaaxy in them. So Jaaxy affiliate program, my review of Jaaxy, a keyword tool. So you can take them and add to your brainstorm. You can find data, and then that will pull it up in another tab right here. And that way you get ideas that you might not have thought of, or that might not have shown up in the previous searches that you were doing. And then there's this saved list. So like if I wanted this keyword, and this keyword, I can save it to a list. I can call it Jaaxy review, and I would hit save. So that's saved. And if I wanted to say go here and save Jaaxy reviews, save to list, existing list, and I would choose Jaaxy review and save it to that list. So to view that list, I would go to save list. Oh, and you see there, once it's added to a list, this green owl, green box with the owl in it comes up. So to view my saved list, I will go to save lists, and then it'll show me how much keywords is in the list, how much traffic I can expect tentatively from this list, and I can download it, I can view it, I can edit it, all within the system right here. So then I can look at my search history. So like if you're doing a search and say you forgot what you was or you had some idea but couldn't remember it exactly, that's what your history's for. So the search analysis shows you what sites come up when you type in a keyword. So you don't actually have to leave this platform to go check Google, Bing, or Yahoo. And of course, Bing and Yahoo is always going to have either the same or similar results, and they might be different than Google's because Bing and Yahoo are owned by the same company, whereas Google is a separate company. So anyway, you this would be the search results that would come up, and you can view details. And this is all the details about this article right here. So for instance, it has about just almost 5,000 words. It shows the Alexa ranking and links on the site. So that is the site altogether. This is the article itself. So it's just different data on the site and or the article on the site. So that's pretty useful. There's their affiliate programs, I mean, not their affiliate program. Their affiliate program's up there, but you can search for affiliate programs. So say I wanted to search for an affiliate program and commission junction. Let's just put in keyword. See if something comes up. So here they're showing you the affiliate programs that are available through Commission Junction. So you can click here for the Alexa ranking, commission rates, and all this information is right here. And again, here's your brainstorm section. So remember, we made the brainstorm earlier with my review of Jaaxy, a keyword research, and then this will all come up again. It'll pull up your keywords from before so that you can start off where you left off with all your ideas. So then you can also, in addition to keyword research, you can check out your site rankings. So for instance, like here I have types of diaper rash, I have Bombo Nature Premium, and so I would just type in types of diaper rash, and then I will put in the URL http, or do I have to know, the organic toddler Kiona then it starts scanning for search results. So it shows you the search results that come up on the first page. It shows me that my page comes up on page 6, which is position 52 in search results on Google. So that's how that works. There's training available. And whoops. Then there's their affiliate program, all right here, and you can also put in like estimates, and it'll calculate how much you would make. Okay, so like if I had 100 visitors at a 15% upgrade rate and over 4 months, then it'll show me how much income I would make. You can put in various scenarios here, but you want to be as realistic as possible. So yeah, again, here's the overview for you to check out real quick, and I will also leave this chart posted for you to see as well. Yeah, so that's a pretty quick overview of Jaaxy, the Jaaxy research, Jaaxy keyword research platform, and I hope that you enjoyed this, understood it, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box below, and don't forget to check the post that goes along with this at bestwaytomakeamoney.com, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.